Hello and welcome to this quick start guide for your new Spear & Jackson Razorsharp Easy Reach pruner. I'm going to be going over the features of this tool and how to use it so you can get pruning as quickly as possible. First things first, at the handle on the left side you'll see a lever. This is your safety catch. To depress, we'll release the grip, which can then be squeezed to activate the pruning motion. To maintain comfort and grip strength when using the tool, the shaft can rotate left and right 90 degrees for the easy pruning of horizontal and vertical branches and everything in between. The head also rotates left and right 30 degrees to allow for the easy pruning in tight spaces. And finally, at the head, we have the cutting blades as well as plastic grippers to secure the branch whilst cutting. We hope this video was useful. If you have any further questions, please leave them in the comment section down below and we'll try to help any way we can. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.